Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap for Monday, April 7th, 2025. Today we'll cover market moves in indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Key indexes were mostly down today. The S&P 500 index and the Dow 30 index fell for a third straight day, showing strong downward volatility. The Nasdaq composite edged up slightly, while the S&P 400 midcap and the Russell 2000 hit new one-year lows. Year-to-date performance shows significant weakness across the board. The Russell 2000 and the Nasdaq composite have declined about 19% each, while the S&P 400 midcap is down 16%. The S&P 500 and the Dow have fared slightly better, down 14% and 11% respectively. Among sectors, communication services led gainers, rising 1%, followed by technology up 0.31%. Financial services slipped slightly, while industrials hit a new one-year low. Real estate led decliners, dropping 2.3%. Basic materials fell 1.6% to a new one-year low, while utilities and consumer defensive both declined more than 1%. In global markets, Asian ETFs showed relative strength. Philippines led with a 0.62% gain, followed by Turkey up 0.59% and Indonesia adding 0.26%. India and SPY both edged lower. Year-to-date returns show Philippines holding up best, down just 4.2%. India has declined 6.6%, while Turkey has fallen 11.2%. Indonesia shows the steepest decline at 18.1%. Among tech leaders, Nvidia gained 3.5%, while Amazon and Meta platforms rose over 2% each. Alphabet added 1%, but Apple dropped 3.6% amid strong downward volatility.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Leading cryptocurrencies are experiencing significant downward pressure. Bitcoin is at 78,400, down 1,214, showing strong downward volatility. Ethereum has dropped 4.3% to 1,550, approaching a one-year low. BNB, Solana, and Dogecoin are all declining for the third consecutive day, with strong bearish trends and elevated volatility.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The greenback shows mixed performance against major currencies. The dollar rose 2.43 yen, up 1.6%. Against the sterling, it's strengthening with strong upward volatility. The euro is gaining ground against the dollar, showing a very strong negative trend with a downward breakout after 3 days of consolidation.
Considering commodities, I'm Liquidity. Gold futures ended at 2,992.90, down 19.20, marking its fourth consecutive down day. Corn futures broke upward after 6 days of consolidation, rising 2.4%. Coffee futures experienced a significant drop of 7.7%, while Brent crude continues showing strong downward volatility.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi, Victoria Cashmore, and Liquidity. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 9:45 a.m., 12:30 p.m., and 4 p.m. New York time for more market reports, and check in daily for in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.